Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I thought I'd show you what I'm cooking tonight. So I've got here some sesame oil, which I've been warming up, and I'm adding to that a little bit of garlic puree. Yeah, my wonder ingredients, as I call them. Quite a bit. I like garlic, and obviously at the moment that's very healthy for the immune system. And some chili powder, chili paste. Again, this wonderful pasty stuff. And I'm going to add some of the green curry paste, which is detective detox friendly. So yeah, no grains, no dairy, no sugar. Teaspoons of that, and I've got here a bag of pre-prepared stir-fry potatoes. My wooden spatula. So I'm just going to get the whole lot in. That's a big bag. That's 600 grams, so yeah, that would serve 2 people. And then just stir it all in. Let that cook down. I personally don't like my stir fries too crunchy, so I will probably leave that for a good, once it's all coated, I will probably leave that with that gently cook for a good 10 to 15 minutes, but obviously that's entirely up to you. And then I'm going to stir in some, help, dropped it, peppered smoked mackerel, which is delicious. Big fan of that. Got that all over the mouse. Anyway, so I'll put this on pause, and I'll see you in a little while. Hello, I'm just going to add a little bit of this in. This is Carly's of Cornwall organic raw whole almond butter, made with European almonds, and it's very tasty. It's got that lovely almondy flavour, which roast almond butter, which is very nice, doesn't actually have that kind of almondy, that kind of yeah. So I'm just going to stir that in. So vegetables are cooked down, are cooking down. So I just thought I'd add that. See you again soon. So this is all cooking down delightfully, and I'm going to add in these 2 fillets of the peppered mackerel. Fabulous food like this. So I'm just peeling off the skin and just flake it in. Yeah. So I haven't added any salt to stir fry because I knew I was adding the mackerel. So yes, I've been quite busy today. Writing, and I had a new patient this morning, so I really just wanted something that would be quick and easy to prepare, and I thought I would show you as well. So I'll finish adding the mackerel and I'll see you very shortly. So here we are, it's all done, and so you can see that it possibly doesn't look as appetizing on camera as it does here, and it smells fabulous. So there we are. That's my stir fry with peppered smoked mackerel fillets. Spicy stir fry, mouth watering. I hope everything is going well with you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.